My name is Daniel Martin. I work at Empress Tavern. We're good friends of Good Bottle here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a New York sour. Start off with your egg always, because if you miss up the cocktail, you do the egg afterwards. If you don't mess up the egg, you gotta start all over. Do a ½ ounce of simple syrup. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm gonna choose Rittenhouse Rye this time. One ounce lemon. On the dot. Start with a little bit of ice. On the ground. Shake it. Get all that ice out of there. No longer need it. The drink's cold. This is called dry shaking. You're gonna get that meringue heat out of that egg white. Finish your sour, get your bucket glass, strain your cocktail into it. Top off a little bit of ice. 1 ounce dry red wine. Garnish.